Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 STX, coming in this nice agate black coloring. This vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. This vehicle also comes equipped with the STX Black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing. You got that blacked out Ford logo, backup camera, tow hitch of course, mud flaps on the rear, and front wheel wells. We also have blind spot detection, as well as a nice gripped running board. Moving to the front, we have two tow hooks as well, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty nicely. We do have this nice dark slate cloth interior with some nice light green stitching. We do have two cup holders right there, a 12-volt and two USB-Cs. We do have plenty of door space as well. And of course, if you need a little extra room, you can always lift up the seats. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are manual, as well as having the same cloth interior we have in the back there. We do have plenty of door space again. You have your parking brake there, tailgate lights, and lights in general. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's on, we can see the odometer sitting at 17.6 kilometers. We do have this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. We have our toggle for a main menu, phone, and media. You have your voice and volume and your cruise control settings right there. Looking at our main screen, you have My View, which you can customize as... One second here. Which you can customize however you like, but we have fuel to empty and your kilometers per hour. You have trip and fuel, which has trip A and trip B. Gauges, off-road, towing, status information, navigation, phone, audio, and vehicle maintenance. Continuing our look here, we have storage here as well. Nice little storage, cup holders. Storage right here with the USB and USB-C. You do have a nice leather-wrapped center console, if it wants to open, with plenty of storage. And looking over here, you have your climate controls right there. We do have our rear locking differential, as well as your four-wheel drive modes, trailer disconnect, 12-volt, two USB-Cs, storage right there, and in the glove compartment. We have our media controls here, auto stop, auto start, backup camera, hazards, traction control, and a fair bit of storage here. For our drive modes, we do get normal, slippery, off-road, tow and haul, eco, and sport. Taking a look at our main screen here, you do have audio with Sirius XM capabilities with phones connected, navigation of course, your Fave app, which you can choose from messaging, email, driving assist, and so on and so forth. You do get a nice Wi-Fi hotspot with this vehicle, and we do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto settings such as display, sound, so on and so forth. Features such as driving assist, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD15028, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.